Massive steel plates arrive, forming the foundational bones of a modern ocean leviathan. Every steel plate undergoes rigorous ultrasonic testing to ensure flawless structural integrity. Computer-guided plasma torches slice through thick steel with millimeter precision. Robotic arms weld the cut steel into massive panels, sparking the ship's initial assembly. Workers piece together panels to form sub-blocks, the basic building blocks of the massive hull.
Before assembly, internal piping and mild cabling are woven through the structural blocks.
The massive dry dock is prepared and cleared, awaiting the assembly of the cruise ship's hull. A traditional coin ceremony blesses the ship as the keel is laid, marking official construction. The massive Goliath crane lowers the first multi-ton steel block into the dry dock. Welders fuse the colossal blocks together, turning separate steel pieces into a unified hull. Block by block, the immense steel hull rises within the dry dock, like a metallic puzzle. Massive diesel-electric engines arrive at the yard, ready to become the ship's beating heart. Cranes carefully lower the colossal engines deep into the cavernous engine room of the hull. High-tech Azipod propulsion systems and massive propellers are fitted to the ship's stern. Bow thrusters are installed to give the massive vessel precise maneuverability in tight ports. The upper decks take shape as massive superstructure blocks are lifted and welded into place. Thousands of passenger cabins are prefabricated off-site, complete with beds and bathrooms. Workers slot the prefabricated cabins into the steel superstructure like massive puzzle pieces. The navigation bridge is assembled, giving the floating city its high-tech command center.
The iconic funnel is lifted onto the top deck, crowning the cruise ship's striking silhouette.
Grinders smooth the welded seams of the hull, preparing the steel for protective coatings.
Industrial sprayers apply anti-corrosive primer, protecting the steel from the harsh ocean.
The cruise line's signature livery is painted onto the towering hull in a vibrant finish. Valves open, and millions of gallons of water flood the dry dock to lift the massive vessel. The ship floats for the first time, safely guided out of the dock by a fleet of tugboats. Tugboats maneuver the floating steel giant to the outfitting pier for its final transformation. Inside, thousands of workers install electrical grids, HVAC systems, and vital infrastructure. The grand atrium takes shape, complete with sweeping staircases and luxurious crystal finishes. Upper decks are transformed into aquatic playgrounds, with massive pools and water slides. Engineers rig the main theater with advanced lighting, sound systems, and moving stage floors. Stainless steel galleys are installed, capable of feeding thousands of guests multiple times. Bright orange lifeboats are secured to the davits and rigorously tested for passenger safety.
Navigation systems power up on the bridge, bringing the ship's electronic senses to life.
Engines full ahead. The massive engines rumble to life for the first time, sending power throughout the ship.
The completed cruise ship casts off its mooring lines and heads to open water for sea trials.
During sea trials, the ship is pushed to its limits to test speed, turning, and emergency stops. Back at the pier, final aesthetic details are polished, ensuring every inch is pristine. The shipyard hands over the completed vessel to the cruise line in a grand flag ceremony.
The magnificent cruise ship departs on her maiden voyage, a triumph of human engineering.